Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Namaskar to all. I wish you all a happy and prosperous 2021. Let's look at how it will be for Capricorn or Makara Rashi people for the year 2021. So the general overview is like this. This year will start with major planets, that is Saturn, Jupiter, Rahu and Sun in unfavorable positions. You could see a lot of confrontations, obstructions coming in at the work front. You're also running the Saturn's second part of the Sade Sati. So you could see unplanned expenditure coming your way. There could be some moments where you may get humiliated. Your thought process may be slow. However, with Jupiter and Saturn sitting in your Rashi, it can make you a little dull in your approach, specifically in the first quarter. So as the second quarter begins, you will see that slowly the things will change towards positivity. You can expect some good gains with Jupiter going into the second house, and this trend will continue in Q3 as well. Okay, there could be some small challenges coming in Q3, but overall, if I have to say, Q1 will be challenging, Q2 will be positive, Q3 you can call it as average, and Q4 again will turn out to be positive for you. So in Q3 specifically, it may look a little dull because major planets will be again transiting in unfavorable positions. There could be some slowdown seen in the business. Even some losses are indicated in business. Health may be a little low with some sudden issues coming up. In Q4, things will improve with Saturn moving permanently to the second house, and overall, if I have to talk, the first quarter and the third quarter will be a little challenging. In the second quarter and the fourth quarter will bring in a lot of positive results for you. Coming to the health part of it, headaches, gastric troubles, food poisoning or chronic issues, if you have chronic issues this year, they may aggravate, specifically in the first quarter. With Sun and Jupiter moving into good positions in the second quarter, you will see that your health will slowly improve and it will become more or less stable towards the middle of the second quarter. Q3 may bring in some troubles like injuries due to your carelessness. Vehicular or fire accidents are seen. That's because of the Mars's position. There could be sleeplessness. Your immunity may suddenly reduce. There could be joint pains or urinary troubles. Okay, Q4 brings in positivity and stability in terms of health. Overall, health may be slightly affected in Q1 and Q3. The second and the fourth quarter are very good for better health. Okay, now coming to the career and business part of it, for working people, the beginning of the year may bring in increase in workload, and there could be very less support from your peers as well as your superiors. Don't be hasty in the first quarter. Things will get better in the second quarter with more positive opportunities flowing in. There will be opportunities for you to prove your worth. You may be promoted or given a new role also during that time. Do not get into unnecessary arguments which may actually work against you. There could be even a loss of position if you are very careless and become more argumentative, specifically in the first and the third quarters, time between January, February, and also between August, September. Okay, you need to be extra careful. Q3 will definitely turn out to be slightly challenging, specifically in the initial months, and then in the later months you will feel a good positive movement, I would say. Start of the Q4 will be good. By the time it is like November, you will start feeling much positive, because by that time Jupiter will move into the second house, which will help you in regaining that positivity. Okay, you will become more energetic. There's a rise in position also indicated towards the end of the year. Saturn Sadesati is running, so you may feel overwhelmed or overburdened or stressed during the entire year. So what you need to do is you need to stay positive, believe your skills, believe your experience, and then move ahead slowly. Okay, overall good progress is indicated towards the end of the year. For businessmen, they may feel the burden of the previous year continuing into this year now. That is in the starting. You need to keep your plans and thoughts to yourself and disclose only to the closed ones and the relevant ones, specifically in the first quarter. Otherwise, it may backfire. Q2 will bring in definitely good comfort. Thought process will be more positive, and you can expect a long-term opportunity coming your way. In Q3, you may have to work hard on maintaining cordial customer relationships. Okay, if you are careless, you may also lose them. So pay more attention to customer relationships in specifically the third quarter. You may have to suffer otherwise. Okay, fourth quarter will bring in a lot of good prospects and will help in expanding your business. You may win some tender related business also during that time, and there could be some business coming in from a foreign land for you. You may also take some short trips on business to a foreign land in this year. Overall, it's a good year for businessmen as well. For students, a satisfactory year, I would say. Q1 may be slow. You may feel lethargic and be slow in your approaches. Q2 will bring in good energy and enthusiasm. You may also be able to enjoy the fruits of your success in the second quarter. The Q3 will be slightly challenging, and Q4, I would say, starting from November onwards, things will be very good, and you will have a lot of happy moments to enjoy, and you may have some good accomplishments to your name as well. Overall, it's going to be a good year for students. Now moving on to income or gains or wealth. This year may open with unplanned expenditure and lesser gains starting. This trend may slowly change for the better in the second quarter. You may be able to make some investments for a better future. Q3, in Q3 your expenses may slightly rise, and you may be careless also. If you are careless, you may experience losses in speculation as well as in your business. Do not be hasty in investments in this year. Invest only after a thorough check. Good gains are indicated for people in agriculture, okay, in this year. Q4, that is October, will bring in more opportunities, and you will be able to earn well and excel also. Overall, a good year for gains. Now coming to the family front, again, the first quarter, you may feel a little preoccupied with your own thoughts, and people may really not like it. So your behavior is going to be more important. You need to stay positive. You need to communicate with your family members well. Otherwise, there may be some differences cropping up between you and your spouse. Children overall will behave satisfactorily in the first quarter, but their health may slightly go down. So you need to pay attention to their health. Your mother's health may also be a concern in this year. Okay, Q2 will bring in more happy moments for you, and Q3 again you may have to stay calm. Don't get angry at everything. Otherwise, you may end up spoiling the atmosphere. Q4, towards the middle of the Q4, you will have more happy moments for your for yourself and your family. You may go on some trips, okay, where you will enjoy, where you will have a good time. So overall, on the family front, it's going to be a slow year to start with, and then it will pick up pace. And finally, if I have to talk about the family front, it's going to be a average to an above average year. Let's look at some of the remedies that you can do in this year to make this a better one. Sadhe Sati is running, so it is recommended that you recite or listen to Hanuman Chalisa every day. You can donate articles related to Jupiter, that is yellow clothes, yellow sweets, saffron, bananas, books, etc. on a Thursday, specifically in the first quarter. Honor your teachers and your elders. If possible, give them some good gifts and honor them well. Okay, that too in the first quarter. You can also donate articles related to Mars in the fourth quarter, specifically red clothes, copper vessels, masoor dal, tuar dal, all these things you can donate on a Tuesday. You can also pray to Lord Mars, okay, in the fourth quarter. Start on a Tuesday. The mantra is, you have to do it 108 times every day in the fourth quarter. Om Kram Krim Kraum Saha Bhaumaya Namaha. Om Kram Krim Kraum Saha Bhaumaya Namaha. Om Kram Krim Kraum Saha Bhaumaya Namaha. You do this. Then you can also perform a Panchamrita Abhisheka to Lord Shiva on a Saturday for good times. Okay, so please do these remedies. Stay focused in the first and the third quarters and make this a great year. I wish you all a great year ahead. Namaskar.